Right now, I'm a manager of child health policy with Nemours, where we're a child health system. And we do a lot of work that is funded around prevention health and population health. And so it's really taking down those silos of healthcare and putting healthcare back in the community and tailoring the healthcare that we deliver to the community. So serving children where they are, how they need it, and when they need it. And I think that that is the perfect embodiment of what I hope to continue to do as my work as a health policy researcher and eventually as a leader.
The Doctorate in Public Health is a degree program that's designed to take people who are already experienced in the field of public health, but really are on a trajectory to become leaders in the field.
Wendy, hi!
Good to see you.
So someone like Wendy Ellis, who's already very experienced in child health policy and advocacy and even research in this area, is really set off on a career where she's going to be a leader. We want her to come and study with us. We want people like her to come. So having the Milken Scholarship Fund allow us to offer to people resources to not have to think about going into debt for this education is really a tremendous resource.
Public health is my profession, but it's also my personal crusade, and it's informed from my own personal experience. When I was 18 months old, my father took a gun, shot my mother, and walked out of my life. I had 4 grandparents who stepped in and raised me. That was my early intervention. There wasn't a therapeutic daycare center. There wasn't a therapist for me to see, but there was a loving environment, an environment of 4 people taking the place of 2 that showed me and made me believe that early intervention of any type that is positive produces the opportunity for a child to see that where you came from doesn't necessarily mean that that's where you have to stay. And so that's what fuels me. And the Milken gift, yes, that certainly accelerates the opportunity to be able to take this to a national stage and continue this work that is so important to my heart, but also important to our communities. I'm Wendy Ellis, and I am so excited to have been selected as a Milken Scholar.